Here we're at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 1990 Honda Transalp 600. This bike has seen better days, but it starts on the first crank. Really still runs great. 76,000 miles. Side case, top case, they're very weathered. But this bike runs, actually, and for anybody who's a Transalp fan, we're selling it for only $900. The first 900 comes and takes it away. Needs a front tire. Probably needs a lot more mechanical work, like maintenance. But as far as runnability, I'll fire it up for you so you can see how it just fires up. First crank. Fire it up again so you see it's no fluke. Typical Honda, still runs great with 76,000 miles on it. License is good through October 2013. So for you Transalp fans, come by. If you need a parts bike or a second bike that was ridden in by the owner who traded it in, come by, check it out. $900 takes it. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.